Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to share apps on WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to share apps on WhatsApp, you will be only able to share the downloaded and installed apps on WhatsApp and not the default apps itself. And for demo purpose guys, we will be just sharing the Viber app on WhatsApp. So to do that guys, let's tap and hold on the Viber. And you can see guys, there is the share button available for us at the top of the list. Just below the uninstall, tap on share, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the WhatsApp just beside the messenger. Tap on WhatsApp, and over here you can search for the friend to whom you want to share the app, and I'll be just sending the app to this one, to myself, another contact. And after that guys, after selecting that contact, a green bar button will appear, and after that there will be an airplane icon at the right side of it. Tap on that airplane icon on the green circle, and over here you can add a caption to that saying Viber, and again tap on the airplane icon, and that app will be sent or shared to WhatsApp like this, and it will be uploaded momentarily, and your friend or the person whom you want to share that app will be able to download it on WhatsApp. And with that being said guys, this is how to share apps on WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.